Monday, May the 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Lots of rain. I'll get into that in just a moment. But look at these highs yesterday. 61, the best we could do in Charlotte. 55 in Greensboro, and even in Charlotte, it was in the 50s pretty much all day long. 48 degrees the high yesterday in Boone. 60 in Raleigh. Very cool, wet May day. Temperatures at the moment, 5 o'clock hour on this Monday morning, a lot of 50s and some low 60s, upper 40s there in the high country around Boone. And look at the temperatures across the southeastern part of the country. Atlanta, chilly 45 degrees right now. It's 51 in New Orleans. Tupelo's at 50. That cool air wrapping around the backside of a big upper level low and surface low off to the west of us. Pretty cool in many locations in the Plain States as well. All right, so here's the radar. This is a band of heavy rain that's been moving through parts of the upstate into the southern Piedmont and into the foothills and mountains. This rain really cranking in that band, and it's slowly lifting to the north and east. Now, south of that band, kind of a break in the activity over much of South Carolina, but that's going to allow for some destabilization of the atmosphere and the development of some scattered showers and storms later today. So this band continuing to lift further to the north and the east. It's raining heavily around parts of the Charlotte metro as I'm cutting this video, and it's still coming down in buckets there in the mountains and the foothills. And that's been a big problem up that way. In fact, check out all of the flooding issues. All those symbols represent where there's been some type of flooding. There's been some mudslides, even a portion of Interstate 40 closed due to a mudslide. And the rain just continuing to pile up. The ground was already saturated. Now you're looking at many mountain spots that have picked up over 4 and some spots close to 5+ inches of rain. And that's the problem. And for that reason, you have a lot of flood products up in the mountains and the foothills there, as far east as Cleveland, Lincoln, Catawba, and up into Surry County as well. Various flood-related products out as I'm cutting this video. Big upper level lows slowly wobbling our way. That'll finally begin to pull away from us by the time we get toward later Wednesday. But still, that will be playing a role in our weather over the next few days. So today, we'll have this band of rain continue to lift through this morning, and then I think a scattering of some showers and thunderstorms on the way this afternoon. And kind of the same general idea tomorrow with some scattered showers and storms with that pocket of cold air aloft right overhead. So there's on Stormcast is your scattered shower and thunderstorm activity firing later today. Probably fairly quiet for much of the night, but then we gear up to see another round of some scattered showers and storms tomorrow. So that's what it looks like on the upper air chart from the European model. Big upper level low right overhead for 48 hours. There it goes, right over North Carolina. This is tomorrow evening. And then we gear up for a pretty big trough to dive in here. This is Saturday night, and then look what happens by the time we get to early next week. Monday, pretty good trough in the eastern parts of the country. Pretty decent shot of some cooler air once again. So finally, as we get into Wednesday, that upper level low pulls away. Still could be a few lingering showers or storms Wednesday. I think Thursday, much warmer and dry too across the region. Probably a lot of us making a run toward 80 degrees or so for a high Thursday afternoon, and it might be even warmer on Friday. Then on Saturday, we get our next front begin to approach, so I do think the chance of a few showers and storms from Saturday into Saturday night, and then there comes that pretty decent shot of cooler air again by later Sunday and Monday of next week. And it looks like a decent little push of some cool, dry air at that point in time. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Everybody stay dry, have a great day, and God bless.